In this video, I want to show you how to log into your USGS account successfully. In case you try to log in and it's showing error, let me show you how to do it. Open a new tab and let's search explorer.usgs.gov and press enter. So when it opens this page, you are supposed to sign in into your account before you can do anything or like downloading. So here, if I click on login, what I've experienced is that sometimes I try to log in with my correct detail, yet it demonstrates error. So if I click on login, here I'm supposed to enter my username, enter password, then scroll down and click on sign in. And if you don't have account, you can click on create a new account to create a free account. Similarly, if you forget your password, you can retrieve it from here. But from my experience, sometimes I try to sign in into my account. Despite entering my correct account detail, it will show error. So I want to show you how I used to go about it. So after entering my username, I click sign in. Now you can see here, the data you enter has one or more errors. Please correct the data and try again, unable to authenticate. So what I did was to re-enter my password, but this time around the first letter I make it capital letter. If I enter the first letter as capital letter and it shows error, then I'll retype again and enter the first letter as small letter. So like in this case, I enter capital letter. Then when I click on sign in, you can see it has signed me in. Actually, I don't know the technicality behind it, but for those of you who are having the same challenge, this is how I used to sign in. So you can see I'm signed in now. Now if I, after signing in, if I close this page and click on here to, and click on Earth Explorer to sign in again, since I have signed in initially, it will automatically log me in. Honestly, I can't say why it happens like that, that when I change the first letter, it sign me in. And if I have problem with it, I'll just change the first letter to capital letter or to small letter. So that is how I go about it. If you're having the same problem, just change your password first letter to capital or to small letter. So those technical guys may be able to explain the reason behind this. But this is how I go about it. Thank you for watching.